Welcome back, friends. In this lecture, we will explore the natural join and some other types of join. Okay. So, in order to explore the concept of natural join, so I'm creating two new tables. One is specialization table, so which has three fields. One is specialization ID, branch, then department, and I'm creating another one table. So with the name called coordinator, create table coordinator, then department varchar. So the size of the department length will be 10. Head varchar of 10. So then semicolon. Okay. So here in the coordinator table, two fields are there. One is department field, another one is head field. Just run this query. So the table has been created. You can see here. Now, in order to see whether the table has been created, you can use the describe table name. So you can check it with that. So now I'm going to insert the values into the table. So the command is, the query is insert into table name, that is specializations. Okay, the table name is specializations. Okay, here I misspelled the thing. Okay, anyway, I will be using the same thing, uh, sessions values, then the values I'm giving as student ID is an integer, so 1001. I'm mentioning it as 1001, and the name, specialization name, that branch name, I'm mentioning it as networks. Then so it should be mentioned with apostrophe because it is a string. Then the department name, so I'm mentioning it as CSE, Computer Science and Engineering. Then close the bracket. Another value, open the bracket, 1002. Then robotics, comma, ECE. So I'm mentioning the department as ECE. So it should be mentioned with the apostrophe because it is a string. Close the bracket and enter the semicolon. Run this query. So actually it is mentioned with an error. So we have to check what error it is producing. Insert into values does not exist. So we have changed the name of the table, it seems. So something has been misspelled. So because it is mentioning that table Kausigan one dot specialization does not exist. Okay, you can see here insert into table name SPECILIZATIONS. Okay, I think we have to use the command. Yes, it has been used. Now we will check. Insert into house again. Oh, again, the same thing is coming. Just run this. Oh, I think here we haven't run this query. Yes, now it has been run. Now we will check whether it is run previously. Yes. Previously, the create specialization table has not been run. Just Now run this. Now it has been inserted. So we will run this table also, query also, create table query. So coordinator. So actually it is mentioned that table already exists. So we have already created, no issue in this. So now insert the value into the coordinator table. Insert into coordinator. Insert into coordinator. Then values. So I'm giving the values as CSE. The department is CSE. Then on the head, I am mentioning it as Raman. Close the bracket. Then another one field, another values for some other fields. So again, I'm giving the department as ECE. Then I'm creating the Lakshman. Then close the bracket. Then run this query. Okay. So now you can check the table. So what are all the fields you have given? Select star from specializations, then semicolon. Just run this. You can see the value. What are all the things inserted? What we have inserted 1001 networks, branches, networks, and department is CSE. Same thing. We can do it for coordinator table also. Select star from coordinator. Okay. Just run this query. Now you can see here, this is the values in the coordinator table. Okay. Now, how to perform the natural join operation? Actually, natural join does not use any comparison operator. The set of tuples of all combinations in both the table specialization and coordinator that are equal on their common attribute names. For example, we can perform a natural join only if there is at least one common attribute that exists between two relations. So that is the condition to perform the natural join. So in our both the tables, that is coordinator table as well as in the specialization table, which field is equal? This department field has been mentioned in the coordinator table as well as in the specialization table. So in order to perform the natural join, at least one attribute should be common in both the tables. At least one attribute should be common in both the tables. So I am mentioning this. Then we can perform the natural join now. Okay. So that is the condition. So the syntax for performing the natural join is just very, very simple. Select. There will not be any condition. Select star from specializations. Specializations. Then use the class coordinator, sorry, join, then coordinator. Then run this query. So now you see here, we are going to join these two tables. So in order to perform the join operation, natural join operation, at least one attribute should be common. So here department attribute is common in both the tables. Just run this. So now you can see here, it has been mentioned with both the tables has been included. Okay. For 1002 robotics, it is mentioned the department is ECE, the CSE is the department Raman. So both the things has been, both the tables has been joined. So how this join is performed with the help of the common attribute department, the help of the common attribute department. So I hope you have understood the natural join operation. So in the next lecture, we will discuss about left join and right join. Thank you.